Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On today's video we are doing a beautiful makeup transformation on dark skin on this beautiful lady called Marion. And can you see guys that transformation and how it has also made her like cheer up, feel amazing. This is the beauty of makeup. So on this tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys my favorite lip combos for dark skin, and without much further ado, let's get straight into it. The first lip combo is this dark brown and a nude shade. I know most people especially makeup artists struggle finding lipstick shades for dark skin, and that's why I thought of sharing the colors, the shades of lipsticks that I love applying on dark skin. And especially when it comes to nude lipstick on dark skin, we really need to find colors that complement the skin, the beautiful melanin skin. And as you can see, this is like two shades of brown, a dark one and a completely nude one, and you just want to make sure that you blend the two together. Of course, you put the light shade in the middle and you outline with the dark brown shade, and then you just blend them together. Make sure there are no harsh lines. And yeah, to finish off the look, I'm gonna add a lip gloss because I felt like it just needed something extra, and a lip gloss is gonna give me that oomph. And the lipsticks we are using are from a brand called Dollypinky Beauty. You can find them on Instagram. They have really beautiful shades of lipstick, and this is the point I added the lip gloss. And the lip gloss, you can also, like Dollypinky have different lipstick shades, both matte, they have lip glosses, and they have lip scrubs. They have a variety of products. And yeah, this was our final look for the first shade, a dark brown and a nude lipstick shade, and gloss it up. Next shade is this the same dark brown shade that we used. And I'm sorry guys, my camera refused to focus at this point. I didn't know it wasn't focusing, so I first started by outlining with the same dark brown lipstick. I feel like a dark brown lipstick is a staple in anyone's makeup collection. And then at the middle I added the nude lipstick. This nude lipstick is different from the first one in that this one has a sort of a pink undertone, and yeah, it really complemented the look because it was going with the eyeshadow. Now this is not an ombre lip, this is just I don't know what to call this shade. It's like a mauve, if I'm not wrong. It's like in the shades of red, but it's not the typical red color, and it's really beautiful on dark skin. Hope you like it the same way I do. Next we have this sort of wine red. It's like a red but then with a very slight pinkish shade, and this color really makes melanin skin pop. I love it. Also from Dollypinky Beauty Cosmetics. Yeah, so basically this one you don't even need a lip liner, same as the previous one. They're just sort of bold colors that also work well with dark skin, and yeah, you can use them to complement any look. But when you're doing dark colors, make sure that you have neutral eyes to get that beautiful balance. And my model was of course also feeling this look. She really loved the color as well. Next we have this pink shade. It's really bright, so I used a purple lip liner to first of all line the lipstick to give it a nice gradient. And also when you're using a really bright color, whether on dark skin or light skin or whatever, when the color is very light, you can use a lip liner that is of a contrasting color, a darker color in the same color family, to make it look better, you know, balanced. Next we are doing that shade, I didn't know what to call it, the mauve sort of reddish color with the nude lipstick. So I outlined with the red and then applied the nude and then glossed up the look. I also find that for most nude lipstick shades, whether it's ombre or just a single nude color, when you add lip gloss it looks so amazing. Next, this is one of my favorite lipsticks in my makeup kit. It's Maybelline Superstay in the shade Fighter 75 Fighter, and I used it with Davis No. 3 pencil to outline and the Fighter lipstick in the middle, and it looks amazing. Next we have a lip gloss from LC London, and I used it with a lip liner from Dollypinky Beauty. These lip liners from Dollypinky are also very amazing, and they cost only 200 shillings, guys. They are amazing. They come in different shades. So for this look, I used a red one, sort of maroon red, and a nude lip gloss, and just blended the two together, and that is our final look. I will share the story on how I did the rest of the face in an upcoming video. Thank you for watching this one. Subscribe, share. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.